this is Coach Brenes here from SUI Intermediate, and today we're gonna go over some drills that you can do at home during this quarantine. Alright, so drill number one is the ankle dribble. So how you're gonna start off, in a dribbling stance, and you're gonna have to have the ball outside of your foot, and you're also gonna wanna use your fingertips. And now you can repeat with your other hand. Drill number two is the crossover. Now what we're gonna be using is the dribbling stance, and we're gonna still use your fingertips. And I also want you guys to try to pass the ball to your other hand. So we're gonna start right here. Okay, try to rock with the ball. Try to rock with it. Dribbling is about having a rhythm. So you wanna always have a rhythm. So drill number three, you're gonna wanna do the in between your legs crossover. So you want to go into a staggered stance, and you want to mix in the crossover. So you want to start here, right? Then you can change your footing. You can go here. Very simple. So for drill number four, we're gonna do a stationary in between your legs crossover. So pretty much this one, you also got to start off here, and then you just kind of got to rock with it. Keep moving your legs. So for drill number five, we're gonna go behind the back. So pretty much into your dribbling stance, and you want to go behind the back, behind the back, behind the back. Try to move with the ball. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this useful. Stay safe, wash your hands, and try to stay indoors as much as possible.